The call. Did you hear the phone ring? Did you hear that phone ring?
I heard it.
The call.
I've got this on action, so it's going to get like 200 shots in a matter of a minute.
Awesome. That's very cool. You can send them to my printer. That was weird.
The other one didn't fall.
Which one were they trying
The white one was supposed to fall. It didn't.
Which one?
This one.
I don't think that was the one in the front.
Yeah, there was flashing underneath it.
Callie would have been flipping.
Boy, that was cool.
That was
fast.
You send this to Steve for the girls.
Did you get it?
Yeah. I wish I was holding it up a little higher though, because I got that nice hat.
You think it's done?
You think they're gonna do that?
I don't know what they're going to do about the other one.
Well, all the guys are walking
They're
down
kinda
there,
walking
so
down
they're
there
not gonna
slowly.
do it right now. Although I don't see why not. We could just stood right next to it. It didn't go very far.
Yeah, right.
But I saw a lot of flashes and bomb blasts from here.
That was a weird feeling.
It was sad, really.
It was sad.
It kind of reminded me of when we had to put A-Top sleep. That same when they